episode 103 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at a bearish flag continuation pattern. So this is a bearish pattern where the market has dropped and then we're looking for a follow through in the same direction. So let's go on to the charts and see how we can spot this trade, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit.
We're looking at a pound US dollar 15-minute chart, and we're going to talk about the bearish flag chart pattern. As we can see, price has dropped here and then it just goes sideways. So normally when we see a big drop, generally there is a pullback, but as we can see here, price is not pulling back very much. It's actually holding closer to the lows. So when we see the price holding closer to the lows, generally we see the price continue in that direction because price has momentum. So this is a continuation chart pattern. We're looking for price to drop and then hold that drop, so not pull back too much, and looking for it to continue further. So in this case, we have to establish the pullback level. So here, this is where the price had pulled back to originally before it dropped further. So that becomes our reference point as to where the price is likely to pull back. So price drops, pulls back into this level, and then we get this nice evening star chart pattern here. So this generally means, or we can just look at the bearish engulfing candle here. So we see this bearish candle, and that generally means that price is likely to drop further because this is a nice good size candle. So in this case, we can take our entry here, and the stop can go above the previous high over here, which is just so that we have enough room in the trade for it to breathe. And then we wait for our trade to drop, and as we can see, price drops further, and once it starts to go sideways here, we can exit the trade. So in this case, we took the trade over here. So we waited for the pullback, and once we had a nice solid bearish candle, then we entered the trade. There is another way to enter this pattern, but generally the pattern is a drop, a sideways consolidation, another drop. There's another way to enter the trade. So let's say you did not get into the trade over here. You could wait for this previous support level to break. So we could wait for this big bearish candle here and then look for a pullback into this previous level. So once the price pulls back into this level, because of this big momentum candle to the downside, we're looking for continuation in that direction. We want to take a trade when the price is pulling up so that we have a better stop, and we look for price to drop. So we enter here, our stop can go on the other side here, and we're looking for price to drop. So either way, whether you look for a pullback here and get into the trade early, or you really want great confirmation and you wait for a trade to really develop for the price to start moving in that direction, either of those are good ways to take the trade. So don't worry about that. Whichever one works better for you is a good way for you to enter. But for this one here, entry to exit, we have 107 pips in the trade, so a profit of $1,070 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points. So you will receive that as special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to share, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.